Hey Sunny fam, what's up? Welcome back. I'm Sydney, your Sunny trainer for the day, and I am going to share with you guys a great challenge that I'm really excited about. This is our 30-day ab challenge. So you don't need anything to do this challenge at home besides your own body weight. It would be nice to have a yoga mat. I have our number 31B yoga mat here. If you do need a yoga mat, go ahead and pick one up. Otherwise, if you have like some carpet or just somewhere where we can be nice and gentle on those hands, that'll work perfectly too. All right, so for our 30-day challenge, it is pretty simple. Basically, every day we're just going to have a different number of sets and reps. We have 4 total exercises, so the amount of sets or reps that you'll do of that exercise will change every day. So I'm going to be showing you guys the 4 exercises that we'll be doing in this challenge. So the very first exercise is a mountain climber. So your hands will be shoulder width apart, just below those shoulders. We're going to be up in a high plank position, so your entire body should be nice and straight. Everything should be tucked in, so those glutes are activated and your core is activated as well. We are going to pick up from our right knee and drive it straight to the left elbow. So it's coming across our body and switch to the other side. All right, so those are your mountain climbers. We're gonna take those nice and slow, so your pace should be just like this. Working on controlling that movement, both as you're picking up that knee and taking it back. So a lot of control in those abs. You're gonna feel those abs shaking right away. All right, exercise number 2, we have ab tucks. So we're gonna be on our back, hands at your sides. Your legs are gonna be all the way straight, and we're gonna pull them all the way up to your chest and back down. All the way up and back down. So you're rolling all the way up to bring those knees towards your chest, and if possible, when you start getting stronger in your core, try to pick those glutes up off the ground. So those hips are coming up and tucking. That's gonna get nice into that lower core there. All right, you're gonna be feeling the burn in no time. Our third exercise, we have hip dips. So we're gonna be on our elbows for this one in an elbow plank. So nice position, once again, straight from the shoulder all the way down to those heels. Glutes are tucked and the core is activated. We're gonna be tipping from side to side. So nice and easy, controlling that movement. And see, I'm kind of rolling along on my toes so that my hips can dip back and forth. All right, working those obliques, giving those sides a little love. Finally, we have our very last exercise, leg raises. You guys are probably familiar with these ones. We're gonna be laying on our back again, hands at your sides, or you can put them under that butt if you want. Legs are nice and straight. We're gonna roll them all the way up, trying to keep those nice and straight, and all the way back down. If you can, lift those hips up at the top for a little extra squeeze on those lower abs. All right, so those are our 4 exercises. Nice and simple. Like I said, we are gonna have a variety of sets and reps every day, so be sure to check out the article so that you know exactly the breakdown for each day. And we are going to work to have a stronger, tighter, awesome looking core at the end of that 30 days. All right, thanks so much for joining. We'll see you guys next time.